This is a quick installation for the ONWOTE Dome conch camera. This is the camera here. Features a solid and durable metal housing with a PoE connection. Fully waterproof for outdoor use. Can also be used indoors for day and night use. So this camera has a little base here. There it is when it's installed. You just rotate the base counterclockwise, then you can pull it off. And that reveals the screw holes. And there's also a screw right here that once you loosen allows for the whole camera to be rotated and tilted. So just loosen that enough so you can move this base around. Loosen it a little more. Now this can swivel and the camera can move freely inside this base. So it gives you the opportunity to point the camera in pretty much any direction once you get it mounted. Really flexible option for getting the camera pointed how you want it. So I already have this notched out, but when you get the camera, this will be a solid piece. But there's a couple areas here, 3 spots here, where you can take a piece of pliers and just pop that piece of metal out if you need to route your cable through this cutout. If your cable is coming out behind the camera, then you don't need to pop those out. But if your cable is coming along the wall, then you have those options to route the cable outside of the camera. So put the camera where you want it and make sure your cable is coming out of the hole or is covering your hole, and put the screws in. The kit includes the 3 screws and the 3 drywall plugs if you're going into drywall. I prefer to use a long bit on my drill so that you avoid hitting the camera with your drill. Just makes it a little easier. Okay, so once you have that mounted, you can swivel and pivot the camera in whatever direction you need to get the angle desired. And you can check your phone or the monitor connected to the NVR to check that angle. Now you want to make your PoE connection. So they provide, take this apart. They provide these pieces to make this a waterproof connection. So they go on in this order. You have this piece here, then this rubber grommet, then this longer piece. There's also a skinny grommet, skinny rubber washer rather, that goes along this base. So make sure that's flush along the base there. Make your connection. Then you just twist this piece until it falls onto it, and then another hard twist, and then you'll feel it kind of snap and lock into place. Slide this grommet up until it's flush, and then screw this end piece on. and then you're fully waterproof. Double check that you're happy with your angle. Once you are, you can tighten the set screw. And then finally you take your finish ring, rotate that until it falls flush, and then another little twist and you'll feel it lock into place. That's the dome camera from ONWOTE.